Hey there, this is Amy Patterson with Crye-Leike, and I am out at one of my listings at 2400 Musgray Road. And just so you know, that is only for location purposes because the property is actually a little bit past that. It's 2400 Musgray Road in Waterford, Mississippi. It's 11.35 acres and it's beautiful out here. The seller has just had a road installed on the property so you can actually drive up onto the property and across the ditch. But it's a great location if you wanted some privacy and you wanted to build a house or hunt or whatever you wanted to do out here. There are no restrictions out here. You could put a mobile home, no problem. Give me a call at 901-604-0153 for more information, or just drive out and take a look and let me know when you get out there. You'll see my sign down the road a bit, so don't stop until you see my sign, and where you see my sign on past that, it goes a ways. If you need any help once you get out here, give me a call and I'll help you know where it is exactly. But I want to show you a little bit of it here. Pretty peaceful and quiet, huh? Give me a call, 901-604-0153, and let me know what you think. Thanks.